Hi there. My name is Paul and I own Paul's Automatic Driving School. Learning to drive in an automatic car is much easier than a manual car, because in an automatic there is no clutch control or gear changes to learn. Also, automatic cars do not stall. Automatic driving lessons are now almost as popular as manual ones. Especially now, as most new cars are now automatic or electric. You can take automatic driving lessons in Basingstoke and the surrounding areas. I work weekdays, between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. Sorry, but I don't work evenings or weekends. Automatic driving lessons in Basingstoke are £50 an hour, and there are also discounts for block bookings. Paying for your lessons is easy, as I accept bank transfer, cash, or you can pay on the driving school's student app. I have lots of amazing reviews from students who have learned to drive and already passed their tests. Here's a review from Naomi.
Paul was teaching me for just over a year until I passed my test first time, and he was friendly and calm throughout. I would highly recommend him. He is very helpful in giving guidance and explaining things in a simpler way. Thanks, Paul, for being patient with me. It has been great learning from you.
Thanks, Naomi. That review was amazing. It was a pleasure. Here's another review from Andy.
I was very nervous learning to drive. I had put it off for a long time. Paul was very friendly and extremely patient. He was always positive and never said anything that knocked my confidence. If you are someone who is nervous about learning to drive, I highly recommend Paul. I even passed first time.
Thanks for the amazing review, Andy. Now you know a little bit about the driving school and heard a few reviews. If you are ready to start learning, please feel free to get in touch if you are interested in booking your own automatic driving lessons. There are various different ways to get in touch, including calling, texting, or using WhatsApp. The number is on the screen. Anyway, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.